and welcome to my little studio here where I still have some ironing to do apparently, and maybe some pictures to hang as I get settled in my new space. My name is Avery Hill. I am a singer-songwriter, a performer, but you probably know me from my ukulele tutorials, which is great. I love this little instrument. It really packs a punch. There is so much you can learn with just 4 strings, and that is what I am here to help you do. Whether it is taking your playing to the next level, deepening your musical understanding, I'm here to help you make this journey in music your own. Don't tell anybody, but I don't actually have a degree in music. The bulk of what I know about music I learned in the piano lessons that I took when I was a kid, and then whatever I taught myself along the way, pestering people for private lessons, watching live performances, messing around on my own, right? But I do have a degree in education, and I would like to think that that has served me pretty well in learning something and then being able to communicate it. I can really relate to where you are when the questions come up, when you hit those challenges, and I'm not afraid to learn some things right along with you. We are in this adventure together, my friends. So, if you would like a wise and curious companion on your musical adventures, besides your ukulele, of course, I hope you will join me and click subscribe. Right there. I'm going to do something fancy later that makes something appear in that space. I'm in the process of making public a whole backlog of video tutorials that were originally made years ago now for students in my live classes. So when you subscribe and click on notifications, you will be the first to know when they are made available. I also have a series of new videos that I'm working on, including a focus on strum patterns and picking patterns, how to sing and play at the same time, because that is not so easy, as well as updating current playlists like the blues and blues tricks and others that I've been working on. So again, click subscribe, click on notifications, and you won't miss a thing. Finally, I am in the process of putting together some membership options for this channel. You'll have access to the archive of song charts and cheat sheets that I have for the different songs that I've taught and posted on this channel. There will also be some other options for those who want access to members-only live events on YouTube and other perks I am still percolating through. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Did I mention? Click on subscribe, click on notifications, and that way you can stay in the loop and up to date. One more thing, check out my new website, averyhill.studio. You can check out live classes and events that I have coming up, as well as my latest perusings about all things musical on my blog, and signed up for my newsletter. I keep it short and sweet, focus on those opportunities for learning together. Thank you so much for joining me, for supporting me. I can't wait to take this musical adventure together with you.